Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most significant and modern naval ships in the fleet of the Philippine Navy, the BRP Jose Rizal FF-150. This warship represents a new era of maritime defense for the Philippines and showcases the country's commitment to strengthening its naval capabilities in order to protect its sovereignty, enhance maritime security, and participate actively in international missions. Named after the country's national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, the ship is not only a symbol of modern warfare technology but also a source of pride for the nation as it steps forward into the future of naval defense. The BRP Jose Rizal was built by Hyundai Heavy Industries in South Korea and delivered to the Philippines as part of the Horizon 2 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization program. It is classified as a guided missile frigate and is considered the first modern frigate in the history of the Philippine Navy. Before its commissioning, the Navy relied mostly on older ships, many of which were second-hand vessels transferred from the United States and other allied countries. With the addition of BRP Jose Rizal, the Philippines marked a milestone in modernizing its fleet and acquiring world-class capabilities that match regional naval powers. The ship was formally commissioned into the service of the Philippine Navy on July 10, 2020, and since then, it has been one of the most important assets in the Navy's arsenal. Its design is based on the HDF-2600 frigate design of South Korea, which has been modified to meet the specific requirements of the Philippines. Measuring around 107 meters in length with a beam of 14 meters and a displacement of about 2,600 tons, the BRP Jose Rizal has a sleek and modern look, built for efficiency, endurance, and survivability. It has a maximum speed of about 25 knots and an endurance of up to 4,500 nautical miles, allowing it to operate for extended periods without resupply, making it ideal for patrolling vast maritime territories like the West Philippine Sea. One of the most impressive aspects of BRP Jose Rizal is its weapons and defense systems. The ship is designed to be a multi-role frigate capable of engaging in anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine warfare operations. It is equipped with a 76mm main gun, which is a versatile weapon that can be used against surface, air, and coastal targets. It also carries secondary armaments such as 30mm guns and machine guns for close-in defense. For missile capability, the ship was built with provisions for surface-to-air and surface-to-surface missile systems, giving it the potential to deliver a powerful punch during combat situations. The ship is also equipped with torpedo launchers for anti-submarine warfare and has the space for a vertical launching system VLS, which can be added in the future to further enhance its air defense capabilities. In addition to its weapons, the BRP Jose Rizal is fitted with modern sensors and radar systems that give it a high level of situational awareness. It has a combat management system that integrates all its weapons, sensors, and communication equipment, allowing the crew to monitor, track, and respond to threats effectively. Its electronic warfare systems provide it with an edge in detecting and countering enemy signals, making it harder to target. These technologies bring the Philippine Navy closer to the standards of modern navies worldwide and ensure that it can protect the country's maritime interests. Another key feature of the BRP Jose Rizal is its aviation capability. The ship has a flight deck and hangar that can accommodate one medium-sized helicopter, such as the Augusta-Westland A-159 Wildcat, which the Philippines also acquired for anti-submarine warfare missions. Having a helicopter on board significantly expands the ship's reach, as helicopters can conduct surveillance, search and rescue, and anti-submarine operations far beyond the range of the ship itself. This gives the BRP Jose Rizal flexibility in responding to different types of missions and makes it an essential tool for safeguarding the Philippines' vast maritime zones. Since its commissioning, the BRP Jose Rizal has already made its mark in international engagements. One of the highlights of its service was its participation in the Rim of the Pacific RIMPAC exercises in 2020, which is the world's largest naval exercise held in Hawaii. This was the first time the Philippine Navy deployed a brand new modern warship to such a prestigious event, and it demonstrated the Philippines' growing role in regional and international maritime security. Despite being new, the ship and its crew performed well during the exercises, gaining valuable experience and strengthening ties with allied navies. Beyond combat roles, the BRP Jose Rizal also plays an important role in humanitarian assistance and disaster response missions. The Philippines, being an archipelagic nation prone to typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural disasters, requires versatile platforms that can deliver aid and conduct rescue operations. The ship's endurance, cargo space, and helicopter capability make it ideal for deploying relief goods, rescuing stranded citizens, and assisting affected communities during emergencies. This dual role of defense and humanitarian support makes the ship even more valuable to the nation. The acquisition of the BRP Jose Rizal also has symbolic importance for the Philippines. Naming the ship after Dr. Jose Rizal connects the vessel to the ideals of national pride, independence, and resilience. Dr. Rizal, as the national hero, symbolizes the struggle for freedom and dignity, and having a modern warship carry his name is a reminder of the country's commitment to defending its sovereignty. It inspires not only the Navy but also the Filipino people, showing that the Philippines is taking bold steps to secure its maritime future. Looking at the broader picture, the BRP Jose Rizal is not just a single warship but part of a larger vision of modernization. Alongside its sister ship, the BRP Antonio Luna FF-151, it forms the backbone of the new Philippine frigate fleet. These ships mark the start of the country's transition from an outdated navy reliant on legacy platforms to a modern force capable of projecting power, deterring threats, and contributing to regional stability. Future plans under the modernization program include more surface combatants, submarines, and support vessels, which will further enhance the country's defense posture. In conclusion, the BRP Jose Rizal FF-150 is a milestone in the history of the Philippine Navy. It represents not only a leap in technology and capability but also a symbol of national pride and determination to protect the country's sovereignty and maritime resources. With its modern weapons, sensors, and aviation capabilities, it is a true multi-role frigate ready to face the challenges of modern naval warfare. It stands as a testament to the Philippines' growing commitment to regional security and international cooperation while also serving its people in times of disaster. As the ship sails under the proud flag of the Philippines, it carries with it the name of a hero, the spirit of a nation, and the promise of a stronger, more secure maritime future.